Put this in right here. What else is that? Oh yes, here it is. Get my backpack out of here.
Good morning! Yo, what's up, Doc? Wait. Morning dab-ups? Morning dab-ups? What's up? Bro, what do you want to do? What do you want to have for breakfast? I'm kind of... Oh, what's there? Bro, what do we want for Christmas? No, guys. Bro, it should be Christmas. Guys, what's that? What's that? What is that? What is that? What the hideous creature? What is this? What? Bro, let's go back and get some breakfast. Let's get some... Yo, guys, for some dust. What is this? Yo, bro, what was that, bro? What's that noise? What was that? Let's see. What was that? What was that? Yo, this fan has some rings. What was that? I swear, I just saw something. But that's all. This was always been there. Yeah. No, it hasn't. I swear, I just saw something. Look, because it has some dust. See? It doesn't matter. I just saw something fly. What is this? What? Help! Help! All the way wrong side. Who died? What happened to Buddha? Buddha. I'm really like to fly. I love Kool-Aid. What happened? Hey, let's just talk. Let's talk. I'm not. I love Kool-Aid. I get all the. Run! My bike's working, so I'm dying. Wait for the fan. Bro, what was that? What was that? Oh! Wow! Go! Run, everybody, go! Go!
Three,
Wait.
2, 1, action.
Oh, you good? You good, bro? You good? Help me, please. No. You good? You good?
No. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, what? What'd you do? What did you do? No, friend. Michael. I like it.
Okay, don't do that. Don't flash your light. 3, 2, 1, go. Action.
Please. Huh? Guys, get over here. There's like a bloody there's like a bloody spine. It's ew. It's wet. It's fresh, guys. It's fresh. It's fresh. It's sharp too. Yeah. It's like bloody. It's bloody and wait. Ow! I love it. Ow! I'm bleeding. Ow! Everybody, one sec. Let me investigate it. Let me take a picture of this. Let me take a picture.
Oh my god.
We're gonna put this up for adoption. What the heck?
We're gonna find this thing. We gotta find the person who first knew where this was.
Yeah.
Wait, I think I know just the person.
But well,
Watch
is
out.
this so good?
You guys say watch out.
Ew.
Don't touch me.
Ah! Ah!
Run!
Run!
Help!
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 Back up! Alright guys, we haven't
This
been
this
here.
will be for
Dang, we
evidence.
haven't been here in a long time.
Why did he be
Guys,
gone?
oh, I'm gonna use this for evidence, y'all.
Guys, there's a
Oh.
bag. There's a bag on the ground.
Guys, I'll be back. I'm gonna use this for evidence. And to make something better
where's the,
to defeat this
camera?
guy.
Alright guys, there's a camera.
See y'all later.
Is that literally that guys?
What?
This might give you shivers down your spine. Off.
Why did he gone?
Oh my god! Ah! That's terrifying. Oh my god. Ah! Dude, it's gonna be alright. I'm gonna keep that in, alright? On three, I'm gonna pull it out and put a towel on your head. It's gonna hurt really bad, alright? 1, 2, 3. Alright, you're gonna be alright. Alright? We're gonna get you a medic. I'm gonna wrap your head. Come on, you can make it. Come on.
Put your hands up.
Come on. We need him. We need help. We need help. I repeat, we need help. Okay, come on. Come on, man. You can make it. You can make it.
Does anyone need help? I'm a medic. I have rations.
Get him, Tim. He needs help. He got assaulted in the chest. We need to get him to the
hospital.
Hurry.
Yeah, come on.
Hurry, come on. I know there's a... No! Oh, no! No, Blue! Ah! No!
Crap.
Wake up, now! Be quiet. No one can hear you scream. What, dude?
From under here, gotta grab it.
Okay.
Okay. This is.
You stay right there. Stay in the corner. Stay in the corner. Hello?
Where are you? Where are you? There you go.
Put your hands up. Get behind you. Look behind you. You thought. You should have thought. You should have thought. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground now.
Where's he at?
You killed my brother! Now I must kill you!
You're the last one, aren't you? I'll kill you. Finally killed him. He's finally dead. Job he was finished. Everybody get here. Okay, guys, these are the people that I filmed with right now.
Guys.
Some people left, but yeah, shout out to all these people. I'm gonna add this at the end of my video on Capture. So, yeah.
Yeah. Shout out to me.